kindergartners, welcome back to math class. Kindergartners, I want you to think about your snap words in phonics. Do you know how the teachers have taught you to really know those words by heart? You've got it. We practice those words and we want to know them by heart. Well, did you know that with math, we also want to know our math facts by heart? We also want to know as quick as we can in a snap and by heart 3 plus 2. So to get our brains really ready for that work today, I thought we could start with a quick game. I am going to say a number plus a number, and I want you to show me with your fingers what number it equals. So for example, if I quickly say 3 plus 3, you would quickly go. Or you might go like this. Does that still show 6? You're right. All right, let's do it a couple times. 4 plus 1. Oh my goodness, you guys are doing this so quick. 4 plus 1, a lot of you went like this and showed me 5. If you showed me 5, give me a high five. Okay, let's try a new one. 3 plus 2. Oh, I tried to trick you. 3 plus 2 is still what number? 5. So give me a high five again. Okay, I'll try not to trick you this time. 2 plus 1. Oh, I see some fingers going up. If you are showing me a 3, give yourself a pat on the back. Let's try this one. 3 plus 0. Ooh, I saw some of your fingers go like this. But then they went back down, and you should just have 3 because 3 adding 0 to it is 3. Okay, one more just for fun. Oh, let's see. 2 plus 2. Oh my goodness, I've never seen fingers work faster with addition problems. 2 plus 2 is 4, like you said. Give your brains a kiss. Kindergartners, that is called fact fluency, when you know your math facts by heart or in a snap. That is called fact fluency. Now, to really help us know our math numbers, addition problems up to 5 by heart and in a snap, we're going to learn a new game today. And our game is going to involve a 10 frame, like what's behind me. This is going to help us know our math facts to 5, like 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 1 in a snap. Now, if you see behind me, I have a 10 frame, and I have colors, and then two different colors to show addition. And down here, I have circles filled in and some not filled in, but they both show the same thing. If I were to represent these 10 frames with a number sentence, I would look at what's filled in, or the first color, and I would see that there are 3 filled in, or have the same color. 3 plus, and then I would see the next color, or the circles that are not filled in, which is 2. So 3 plus 2, and then I would see how many are in all. You're right, the top 10 frame is filled in, so there has to be 5 in all. Now, we've learned that this 10 frame work matches this number sentence. It kind of could be put into a matching game, couldn't it? Well, guess what I have for you today? I have a memory matching game for you. Will you put your thumb up if you've played a memory game before? A memory game is where you flip over some cards, and then you flip one over, and you try to flip a different one over and see if they are a match. I'm going to show you more about it if you haven't played one before. Today, to play this memory game, which is again to help us really know these math facts in a snap, you're going to need this paper. There's 10 frames, and then there's number sentences for addition on it on one side. You're also going to need the paper right behind it that has more. So it's the papers that have addition, so the plus sign, and then the 10 frames to match. You're going to need both of these, but before you come back and get started, you have a job to do. These cards need to be made into cards, so we both have to cut them up. So go get these, pause me while you cut them up, and come right back, and I will teach you how to play addition memory. See you in a second, friends. Welcome back, kindergartners. So you should have your cards in a stack just like I do. The first step we actually want to do is we want to sort our stack and to make it 2 stacks. We want a stack for 10 frames and a stack for number sentences. So watch as I'm just sorting between the 2. So I'm making a stack, and make sure your cards aren't stuck together. Making a stack for number sentences and making a stack for 10 frames. You can do this along with me, or you can do this after the video is over. Now I have 2 separate piles, number sentences, 10 frames. I'm going to flip them both over, and I might want to give them a shuffle in their own separate piles. So I'm kind of going to move these around and around, and there we go. And then I'm going to move these around and around, and they should be set. Now I have them back in a pile, and what I want to do is make 2 rows for each one of these. Watch me, and then you will do it too. So I have my number sentences, and I want to make them into 2 rows. Uh-oh, and I might have one over here, maybe. Let's see. Then I have another row. These are also going to be into 2 rows. Let me make sure. Oh, 2 were stuck together. So you might have that same problem as me. 2 were stuck together. So I have 2 rows of number sentences and 2 rows of 10 frames. So there should be 4 rows going across, 4 cards across, 4 going down. But this side I know is number sentences, and this side I know is 10 frames. So I need to pick a card from this side and a card from this side. Okay, so to start, I'm going to flip over a card. And I see that I have the card 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. I leave it right there. I cannot pick it back up. And I need to try to find a 10 frame that shows 2 plus 4 equals 6. Oh, I'm feeling lucky. Let me see. Let me try this one. I see 8 black circles and 1 white circle. So that would actually be 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now, those aren't a match, but I need to remember those number sentences in case I get one of their matches. So I'm going to flip it back over in the same exact spot, and I'm going to try again. I might try a new one, and I got 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now on this side, I also want to find 2 plus 2 equals 4. Which one do I want to try over here? I'm thinking today I might try this one. And I didn't get 2 plus 2 equals 4. I got 2 plus 4 equals 6. Wait, does that look like a number sentence that I had before? So now I'm going to flip this one over, but I remembered where that 2 plus 4 equals 6 was. It was right here, friends. If you see 2 plus 4 equals 6, those are a match. I keep them and go, I got a match, I got a match. And then I get to play again. So I go ahead and go try to find a match again. You can play this with a sibling or a parent, or this is a game you can play alone. I hope you have fun playing addition memory and find all of the matches. See you tomorrow, friends.